Are you on the hunt for ways to earn money online? The digital world is teeming with opportunities, but which platforms truly stand out? Today, we're going to delve into the top online earning platforms, each with its unique offerings. First on our list is Upwork. This platform is a marketplace for freelancers where you can find work in a variety of fields. From writing and graphic design to coding and consulting, there's a wide array of jobs available. Upwork is highly flexible, allowing you to choose projects that suit your skill set and schedule. Next, we have Fiverr. This platform is a hotbed for creative freelancers, providing an avenue to sell services in the form of gigs. Fiverr is known for its diverse categories, so whether you're a writer, designer, or voiceover artist, there's a place for you. Third on our list is Etsy, a platform for crafters and artisans. If you have a knack for creating handmade goods, vintage items, or craft supplies, Etsy is your go-to platform. It's a community of makers, where creativity thrives and unique goods find their audience. Fourth, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform provides human intelligence tasks, or HITs, which are small tasks that require human judgment. From data validation to research, tasks on Mechanical Turk can be completed in your spare time, offering a way to earn money on your terms. Last but not least, we have Teachable. If you have expertise to share, Teachable is a platform where you can create and sell online courses. From cooking to coding, if you can teach it, you can profit from it on Teachable. To summarize, Upwork offers a variety of freelance jobs to suit your skills and schedule. Fiverr provides a platform for creative freelancers to sell their services. Etsy is the home for crafters and artisans to sell their handmade goods. Amazon Mechanical Turk offers small tasks that can be completed in your spare time. And Teachable allows you to share your expertise through online courses. Remember, the digital world is ripe with opportunities. It's all about finding the right platform that aligns with your skills and passions. Each of these platforms offers a unique way to earn money online. So why wait? Start exploring these platforms today and unlock a world of digital earning potential. Happy earning.